Okay guys, yeah, welcome to my channel today. um this is the trade I took yesterday, you know, on my Propfirm, on my $50,000 Propfirm account. So I told you guys I will give you update about this trade, about the outcomes. So this is the outcomes of the trade. You know, when I took this trade yesterday, I yesterday being Monday, I told you people that uh the New York session might do otherwise, because I took this trade during the London session, and during London session GBP is always in control. That's just the truth. And during the New York session USD is always in control. So this is what happened exactly during the New York session. Exactly during the New York session. Okay, just during the New York session, this market started reversing to the upside during the New York session, and up to now it's still reversing to the upside. So I did not put break even on this trade because I was expecting it to get to like 1:1. My stop loss is 45 pips, and I expected to get to like 45 pips in profit before I can break even. So it didn't get to 45 pips. Okay, so I did not break even. So but even if I had break even at this point, it's not bad. But um before I checked the trade yesterday, I saw that the trade has already retraced deep into my entry point. So and since then it's been like moving up and down, you know. So I'm looking at this market currently, to take out this stop loss. So I'm not hopeful that I'll win this trade, but if possibly I won this trade, I'm going to make another video and tell you people how the miracle happened. Okay, so but for now, what am I looking at on this trade? Okay, let me take out this. So currently what I'm looking at right now, if you come to the higher time frame, you see that we are on uptrend. Okay, and if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you see that we are still on uptrend. You can see my trend line here. So this market has broken the trend down, okay, and it has come to retest. It has come to retest this zone, okay, and it's consolidating within this region. So what I'm expecting from this market right now, because you can't decide whether this market is a sell or whether this market is a buy from those points. So it is better to just avoid this market, because USDCAD is a trade that I don't know why some people like trading it. I don't like trading it actually, but sometimes when I see my confluence play out on USDCAD, I just manage to take it. Okay, since USD is always in charge of the New York session, so I would have waited for this trade to actually get to the New York session before I take a trade. Okay, so but that I was not patient enough, because I wasn't going to be around in the afternoon. So I was already prepared to take the risk. So now this is what I'm looking at on this trade. So trend line intact, market has break the trend to the downside and retest, and now the market is consolidating. Okay, so this is my lookout on this trade. So this is where this trade started consolidating from. So I'm going to mark out this place. All right, to this place here. All right, so you can see this zone here. So right here I've marked a zone, and some people will call this I don't know, some will call it flag, some will call it a lot of things that they may want to call it, me, I don't really have time on those names, but I will make a video, that will show you people how to trade with all those patterns and all that chart patterns. So this trade right now, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at the market to break this zone to the upside. Okay, the market is already breaking the zone, so the market need to break into this trend line. Okay, break above this trend line and then retest back into the zone. So once I see this market break out of this zone and on the 1 hour time frame and retest into this zone, and I see a confirmation candle to buy, I'm going to buy. So likewise, since the market has break out of the trend to the downside and has retested, okay, and the market right now is indecisive, you can't really tell where the market is going to. So if the market also break to the downside, I'll wait for it to come and retest this zone, and I will wait for a confirmation candle, and then I will sell. That is just my lookout, okay, because market moves to a buy side liquidity or a sell side liquidity. So currently the market is on uptrend, and maybe the market want to change its trend, it moves to the downside, okay, or the market want to continue up. So the market want to continue up, it have to take out it has to go and take out all the liquidity you're seeing here according to SMC. Take out all this liquidity and then push up to the downside, before looking for another retracement to push up to the upside. Before look out for another retracement to the to back into the trend line, okay. But if not, it has to break this zone to the downside and retest, and then okay. Let me just show what I'm teaching here, because it looks like, so what I'm trying to say is this: if this market breaks out of this zone, of which is already breaking out into this trend line, okay, into this trend line, I see something like this, and then I also see something like this, okay, back into this zone. All right, probably into the zone like this. I will look for a confirmation candle, and then boom, I'm going to long this market again. This is what I'm looking at, okay. So I'm going to look long this market if this market play out this way. So another thing that I'm looking for, okay, because right now the market is ranging here, and the market has broken the trend to the downside, like I explained, and you don't know that it's going down or it wants to continue, in an uptrend. So what I'm looking at for now is, if the market comes down like this and also break this, let's say for example it comes down from here, okay, probably break this zone, okay. If market breaks this zone to the downside and pull back all the way into this zone, okay, I will wait for a confirmation, and then I'm gonna just short, okay. It's either it breaks to the upside, retrace into the zone, I will long, or break to the downside, retrace into the zone, I will short. That is telling me that the market has now given us a confirmation that this is what it wants to do. So right now, I'm not going to take any trade on USDCAD again, okay. So I'm not going to take any trade on this USDCAD. So my lookout is I'm looking at USDCHF as well. My eyes on USDCHF, okay. My eyes on USDCHF. So probably if USDCHF, I'm also looking at the same thing. This market already, the USDCHF market is in a confirmed uptrend, and also there's, like, what market does is I'm going to give you guys a breakdown. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like if you want to learn my trading concept, okay, how I trade, my confluences, what I look out for, okay, I'm going to put you guys through. So you can see that the market is an uptrend. This is a fake out, okay. This candle is a fake out. So but when you go to the 4 hour or 1 hour it looks like a breakout. Okay, so but the market is tracing into this D, so this is what this market might likely do. Okay, right now the market has already broken down to this downside. Market might just do this, okay, from here, and then once it get to that zone, this is what the market might just do. The market will short from here. Why? Because the market has already broken this trend line, and there's already another trend here, to the downside. So the market might continue. If the market does this, I will still not enter. I'm not looking at sell right now on this trade. Before I will sell on this trade, okay, I'll wait for the market to do this, and then maybe probably pull back like this. Come in, probably pull back just like this, maybe into this zone or back to this place. Okay, probably back to this place or back to this place, whichever way. Okay, let's say back to this zone, and then I'm going to look for a confirmation and I'll short. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at on this CHF, USD CHF. Okay, so this is my lookout on the trade today. So if this conferences does not meet today, it might meet tomorrow. Okay, it might meet tomorrow, but if it doesn't play out this way, then I'll look for other pairs that that's just the way it works. Other pairs that might meet up to my criteria, and then I'll short. So that is it. So I'll in my next video I'll be showing you guys the account, the Propfirm account I'm trading, and how much I've made so far. And also I'm going to tell you guys a little story about myself and my trading journey, my this and all that you guys need to know.